Once a system can keep a conversation connected, carry context forward, and understand what's happening, the next question is how an AI agent actually shows up for the customer. That is the role of Agent Connect. Agent Connect is the layer that lets you bring your own AI runtime, whether that is OpenAI, Bedrock, LangChain, or your own models, and connect it to Twilio channels in a production-ready way. It works with tools like Twilio Voice, Conversation Relay, and Twilio messaging so your agent can participate in real customer interactions without requiring you to hand-build connections and logic for every channel. If you want the full picture of how this fits into Twilio conversations, you can start with the introduction video in the series. Agent Connect sits between your AI runtime and the customer-facing channels. It connects your agent to voice and messaging, manages session state and identity, and allows that agent to operate within the same conversation and the same customer context the rest of the system is using. That means your agent does not have to be rebuilt for every channel. It can plug into the Twilio stack and operate as part of one consistent experience. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Agent Connect provides a model-agnostic bridge between your AI agent and Twilio's communication stack. For voice, it works with Twilio Voice and Conversation Relay to manage the live audio stream, turn-taking, and interruptions so the interaction feels natural. For messaging, it allows the agent to send and receive messages through Twilio channels using system-level actions instead of relying on the model to invent addresses or actions on its own. It also manages session and identity states so the same agent can continue interacting with the same customer across touchpoints. This matters especially when the agent needs to do something, not just say something. If the agent needs to send a confirmation text, for example, that action can be routed through Agent Connect using the correct participant and channel information already available in the system. That makes the interaction safer and more reliable, and it reduces the risk of the model sending the wrong message to the wrong place. Let's look at how this works in the Voltana dealership example. When Jordan calls after hours, Voltana's virtual sales agent is running on the dealership's preferred AI runtime. Agent Connect is what connects that runtime to the live customer interaction. Twilio Voice and Conversation Relay handle the audio path, and Agent Connect manages the live interaction so the agent can respond naturally in real time. When the agent schedules a test drive and sends a confirmation text, that action happens through Agent Connect. The message is sent through Twilio messaging using the correct participant and channel information already known by the system. The model does not have to go and guess where that message should go. Later, when Jordan replies by SMS, the same agent can continue the interaction across a different channel. That is part of the value here. The runtime stays the same, but Agent Connect allows the agent to operate across Twilio channels as part of one customer experience. The next morning, Brian calls Jordan. When he transfers her to the virtual agent for check-in, Agent Connect allows the AI agent to step back into the interaction without restarting from zero. The agent can continue the conversation and collect details like license and insurance information as part of the same overall experience. Across voice, messaging, AI, and human support, Agent Connect is the layer that makes the agent usable in the real world. That is Agent Connect. It's the layer that lets you bring your own AI runtime and connect it to Twilio Voice, Conversation Relay, and messaging channels in a way that's reliable, safe, and ready for production. So let's put it all together. Conversation Orchestrator keeps the conversation connected across channels and touchpoints. Conversation Memory carries forward the context that shouldn't be lost. Conversation Intelligence interprets what is happening and turns it into signals the system can act on. And Agent Connect is what allows your AI agent to actually participate in the interaction, take action, and work alongside AI agents in real customer journeys. Together, those pieces can create customer experience that can span voice, messaging, AI, and humans without falling apart. All the resources mentioned are linked below. To learn more about Twilio Conversations, check out the documentation and guides in the description. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the brand new Twilio Conversations.